Blick is a Hostinger website builder template that uses a combination of gradients and bold colors to break out from the boxy nature you often find with other template designs. We have a bold, traditional hero unit, using color combinations to highlight keywords, and a rounded corner call to action that ties in with the overall layout of the page.
Continuing that theme, we have rounded corners on each of the images for this snake-style signposting section, before breaking into reviews with bold thumbnail headshots, tying into the overarching color scheme. As the website transitions into dark mode, we see a number of darker tones and gradients combined to carry through this striking website visual.
This single-page layout moves across to mobile devices effortlessly, with no requirement for a hamburger menu. This website template showcases everything on a single page. If you're looking for a simple, bold website to get your business up and running, then you could find that Blick is the perfect place to start.